WADADA Football Club should know by Wednesday whether they will be allowed to take part in their Jamaica Premier League playoff match against Montego Bay United following a meeting with the JFF today. Jordan Fort has the details.
WADADA's scheduled playoff against Montego Bay United for a spot in next season's Jamaica Premier League had been put off after they failed to meet the JFF's administrative requirements for top-flight clubs. But following an appeal, JFF President Michael Ricketts decided to call a meeting on Tuesday to see if a resolution could be reached. Following the meeting, Ricketts didn't give any indication of whether the decision could be in WADADA's favour, but says allowing the match to go ahead without following the correct process could lead to problems in the future.
We would set a wrong precedence. We wouldn't want to do that. And remember, we're answerable to our parent organizations who are always looking on CFU, CONCACAF, and ultimately FIFA. So we want to do things right, but at the same time, we want to ensure that justice is not only done, but appear to be done.
WADADA coach Daniel Ricketts thought Tuesday's meeting was a positive one and hopes the outcome will be good for the game.
Yeah, man, football must be the winner. We can't keep on going back and forth. We thank Mr. Ricketts for having the meeting, and we both met. It was good to have this face-to-face to looking at each other and understand where both of us fell short and see if football can be the winner.
He admits that the back and forth between WADADA and the Federation has affected the team.
The morale of the team went down because they were trained for about a month and really was looking forward to the game. And when you tell them they can't play the game, you know the players will be down because they wanted to go out there and exhibit their talent. So, but in terms of physical, I think we are still there. We're still doing some work, and we'll continue to do it until the JFF has decided what next they are going to do.
And President Ricketts has moved to assure the WADADA hopeful that the decision will not be drawn out.
Yeah, we have decided that within 24 hours we'll make the decision known. We'll, of course, write to WADADA.
A spot in the Jamaica Premier League became vacant after UWIFC withdrew from last season's competition due to financial constraints. Jamaica Premier League organisers have said they hope to begin a new season before year-end. Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.